Hi friend, today I will first discuss about today's trade using this Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.2, and as the month has end, I will review the performance of this month, that is April 2020. So I am talking about this Excel sheet. Using this Excel sheet, you will able to find the trade exactly at 10:45 every day. You have to enter the high and low of 30-minute Bank Nifty chart. 30-minute candle, first candle, second candle, and third candle, high and low. Once you will enter this data here, then you will find the plan for the day here. And once suppose you get the plan A, plan B, C, or D, based on that you have to move through these plan A, plan B sheet to find your trade level, etc. So I will also quickly discuss about the performance so far. This Excel sheet has generated this month 531.85 point. If you trade based on a one lot, that is comes around 10,637, and the last 3 months the total point gain was 1,561 point, so roughly around 31,230 point last 3 months. So in an average per lot, it is giving 500 points in a per month basis. So now I will demonstrate you how to do it. Exactly, this is very important for you. So first you have to enter the date here. So let's put the date. The date was 30th. As I mentioned, you have to enter the data and you will find here some plan, and accordingly you have to move respective sheet to find the plan. So let's open a Bank Nifty 30-minute chart. This is the Bank Nifty April future 30-minute chart. So I have to enter the first three candle high low. That means at 10:45, using just 3 minutes, you will able to get the trade for the day, and you can put the trade accordingly. So let's see what was the trade today. So first candle high low was high 21,824.55, and the low 21,511. 21,511. I entered the first candle high low. Now I will enter the second candle high low, that is 21,929, and the low was 21,746.25. I has entered both the high and low, and now I have to enter the third candle high low, that is the end. After that you have to execute the trade plan. No more analysis. High was 21,921.65, and the low was 21,826. 21,826. So as I mentioned here, click overhead. It is saying plan A, yes. So move to plan A. And under the plan A, as you can see, the entry, stop, and target. So today's entry was, and it is says trade for 50 point. Yes, go long. That means what? That means you have to trade today only for 50 point. So what was the trade? The trade was entry about 21,931. So somehow in this level 21,931, if I make it a 15-minute candle, it will be easy to understand. 21,931. Let's move to 30-minute candle itself. 21,93. Yes, somehow here is your level. This level is showing 21,933. So probably in this candle you have entered the trade. Your trade will enter in this candle, and the high was 21, the target was 21,981. As you can see, the high is just 20. See over here, the high of this candle was 21,981.70. That means it just hit the target of 50 point today. I have received a couple of feedback today also, that they have just gained 50 point, and and then markets come down obviously. But then that is the beauty, because of that possibilities we actually enter the 50 point. There is a calculations behind it. So far, as I mentioned in the track sheet, it has generated almost 10,000 profit per lot basis, that is 500 point. Thank you for your time. Until next time, stay safe and take good care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye.